So we're going to explode a volcano with baking soda, vinegar, and acrylic. We would use red, except I can't find it. So we put this in. Whoops. Oh, yeah, I knew that. I'm going to put it in this. Try this.
Ready for... Oh!
Yay!
It's gonna be like at the water park. Baking soda. Whoa, what's it going?
Ooh. You should put more baking powder in it. Or
It's a
baking.
cool volcano. You were amazing, your brother. I'm actually surprised you can fit it on that little hole. It worked out pretty well.
Okay, wait, I'm going to do one more.
I think a
Okay.
blue volcano
No!
is better than a red one.
There we go.
Oh yeah, don't like that. Matches your shirt.
No! That
We've got one.
yeah, it's a plug.
But it looks like water. Like water's coming out of a volcano.
Oh, and can you grab me a spoon or something real quick so I can get this out? And
I think you need like a toothpick.
thank you for watching.
It's not.